Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Today is Friday, the last day where I'm gonna find myself trading my last actual position for this actual week. It has been quite an amazing week. So before we're gonna start off this actual content, please, all I'm asking you is one favor. Please do go hit that like button, that sub button. If you want to leave a comment, feel free to do. The YouTube algorithm will appreciate that, and I would highly appreciate that as well. So let's get into the breakdown. Let's see why I basically found myself shorting on Nasdaq. Okay, so starting off from our daily time frame, once again, let's box out that area of previous support and resistance. So as you can see over there, once again, previous area of support, previous area of resistance, previous area of support. We broke below once again, support and resistance. This is crucial. Whoever is going to tell you that you don't need it, hey, I don't know. I honestly don't know. As you can see, right? This daily candle of yesterday, we basically broke below this area, we found ourselves closing below this area. Now this area is serving as an area of resistance, right? So all we do wait is for the pullback, and we want to find ourselves shorting from there, because in an area of resistance we are looking for selling opportunities, right? With this candle, we can see it has been a nice bearish engulfing candle, giving us an indication that we can find ourselves, lowering price. This is where I basically scaled down to my actual 4-hourly time frame and basically just looked at what's happening on my 4-hourly time frame. What's happening over here. This is where I boxed out my previous area of support. We broke below. I saw that we had one rejection, another rejection. This was the current one which we just had on 1530. And yeah, currently we are rallying down over here. Now, cool. This is literally how I caught my trade. This is literally how I caught my trade. I'm gonna remove this candle so long. I'm gonna remove that one, and then I'm gonna go on my 2-hourly time frame and my 1-hourly time frame and remove where were we though? This one, yeah. Then I'm gonna remove this one as well. Now, cool. This is literally what I saw. I saw that, okay, cool. On my 1-hourly time frame, higher time frame daily, we're tapping inside an area of resistance. 4-hourly, we are tapping inside an area of resistance. 2-hourly, we're in a resistance. 1-hourly, we're in a resistance. So what are we gonna be looking for? We're gonna be looking for selling opportunities, right? But is there something telling me that I can sell? This is where I literally, as you can see, these nice turning points. This is where I found myself, basically having my trend line drawn out just like that, copy and clone it, and I basically placed it on the highs just like that. Boom. And I was like, cool, we do have a flag. We have a beautiful flag, right? And literally this is 3 o'clock. 1530 was the one, after this. And this is where I found myself short, basically. If I can get the coordinates once again, if I can get out my coordinates, my actual coordinates is like this. My profit level, stop loss level, let's first calculate the stop loss. It's 13,795.3. That's my stop loss. My take profit area is at 13,518.0. My entry was at 13,770.7. Boom. That was my entry. Cool. That was my entry. Now I basically took it as 1530 coming. Yes, we are now tapping inside the strong area of resistance. The only thing I can find myself doing now is basically have my area of my stop loss above this actual area of resistance. Still 60 pips, and I am happy with that, right? I'm happy with that. Well, 64 pips. I'm happy with that, right? This is literally where I found myself shorting from, and I'm gonna show you where I basically got out my Fibonacci to basically take price, to basically targeting this area over there. So with 1530 coming on, almost got stopped out over there, almost got stopped out, and yeah, boom. Currently, we are rallying, below our area of, below our actual our flag over there. So can we see a nice actual retest for potential dip back towards the downside, But I am actually comfortable with having a nice 100 pip move on Nasdaq. I'm planning on calling it a day. Well, a week actually. And yes, enjoy my actual profits. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna close it in front of y'all. I'm not gonna basically hold. I'm gonna close my trades over here. I'm gonna close it. Wait, before I'm gonna close it, let me first show you once again. There's my trades over there. Close and close over there. Boom. So basically, I took my trade off. I'm having a nice actual B flag over here. This flag is basically indicating to me that I can find myself basically find price heading back towards the downside, and we are tapping inside a strong area of resistance, so we can find ourselves basically rallying back towards the downside, right? Rallying back towards the downside, and literally that is what we did. We found ourselves rallying towards the downside, and yes, profit has been made. Yes, I'm cutting off my actual trade over here. Many people might, Diego, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? Hey, it's literally the first time this week of me cutting off my trade. So I basically want to go on my actual IFX account quick fast. I want to go on my IFX and basically make a nice withdrawal, and yeah, just be a little bit transparent with y'all. Just be a little bit more transparent. Yeah, so literally, it is, well, let me show you why I basically targeted this area over there. Mainly because of, can you see this high and this low over here? I got the Fibonacci from the high to the low, and I basically targeted the actual minus 61.8 area over there as my target. We are currently still bearish in structure, so we can find ourselves having that potential roll over to the downside. Okay, so let me make the withdrawal. Let me make the withdrawal. 9. Bang, bang. Yes. Yeah, yes, this thing is taking forever. This thing is literally taking forever. Yeah, so 100 pips, bang, 100 pips, banged. Cool. So now I'm actually on my dashboard over here. Go to my wallet. Withdrawals. We're gonna put in our amount which we want to withdraw. Boom. Put in the amount which I'm about to withdraw, and yes, I want to do that, and I want to take it to that, and then I want to press withdraw, and boom, withdrawal. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, successful. So yeah, basically made the withdrawal. We're calling it a week. It has been a profitable week, and I am quite grateful for that. Am I gonna have the same expectations for next week? No, I'm not. I'm gonna keep my feet on the ground. I'm gonna stay humble. Anything can happen within the market. Remove that expectations. You can have good weeks, you can have bad weeks whatsoever. Hey, at the end of the day, you still just gonna have to keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. So I am super, super grateful, super blessed, to basically have a withdrawal made for this week. If you find yourself having a withdrawal made this week, if you had a profitable week whatsoever, congrats. If you didn't have an actual profitable week and you have learned a little something, well, even if you have learned something from the content I basically just dropped, hey, make notes, make notes. Applause to you because you're learning. Applause to you because you're learning. Okay, that's literally all that matters. The learning curve. Okay, and trust the process. Trust the process. Slow progress is better than no progress. Keep that in mind. Slow progress is better than no progress. Okay, so fam, that's literally it from my side. It's me, your boy D. I'm out. See you on the next video.